In today's video, I will show you how to make a simple motor. For this, we need a battery, neodymium magnet, screw, wire and some safety pins. We will connect the screw to the neodymium magnet and put some safety pins on it to make it look like a fan. We will put the screw on the positive terminal of the battery and touch the wire on the negative terminal of the battery. We will touch the other end of the wire on the neodymium magnet. As you can see, the motor is spinning. This type of motor is called a homopolar motor. What is a homopolar motor? A homopolar motor is one of the simplest motors built. It uses direct current to power the motor in one direction. The magnet's magnetic field pushes up towards the battery and the current that flows from the battery travels perpendicularly from the magnetic field. This causes the creation of a force perpendicular to both the magnetic field and the current. This force is known as Lorentz force. It's exerted on the screw, causing it to spin. And if you want to know how to make an electromagnet at home, click here to find out and click here to subscribe.